Hi everyone, this is Edo from Framer. We have some exciting updates in the works for the CMS that will come out in the coming weeks. And as a start, today I want to show you some improvements around sorting items in the canvas. As you know, by default, the item order in the canvas reflects one-on-one the CMS list. And if you drag one item to reorder it, you'll see that it's immediately reflected in the canvas as well. Up until today, you could only keep this order or reverse it. But now we give you way more control. With the new sorting property, you can choose any field from the CMS you'd like your list to be sorted by. I'm going to click rating, and then you can also choose the order if it's low to high or high to low in this case, and you'll see it immediately applied. If you add to the CMS and you try to change the order of this list, you'll see that the one in the canvas remains untouched. Something good to know is that sorting properties can also be combined. For instance, in this list, when two or more books have the same rating, I would like to show the most recent first. To achieve that, I'm going to add an additional sorting option and choose date this time. Then I'm going to set the order to be from new to old, so the new is shown first, and that's it, it's already applied. What I've shown you so far is already usable on its own, but this new property also unlocks new possibilities, like letting your users sort items by themselves on the site. Let me quickly show you how. First, I'm going to convert this list into a component, and I'm going to create a setup where I have two buttons, one being rating and the second one being author. Now, these two are part of the same control, so I'm going to wrap them into a stack and color the first one to be white since it's active. Then I'm going to create a second variant where the colors are flipped, and I'm then going to link these buttons to the relative variant, so the rating to the first one and the author to the second one. And now that we have the setup, let me show you the cool part. If I select the list, you'll notice that the sorting options can be changed from one variant to another. So I can remove the date one, and I'm going to change rating to author, which is a reference to another collection. And good to know we support single references for sorting. Then I'm going to change the order from A to Z. And if I preview this, you see that now it's interactive and it's really cool. Then when I switch rating to author, it auto animates. Now I can even extend with one additional parameter, let's say title. So I'm going to create a new text layer, call it title. And by creating another variant, and I'm just going to apply the same setup as before. So I'm going to update the text color so that the right button is enabled, and then making sure that these buttons are correctly linked to their respective variant. As a last step, I'm going to make sure the third list is not sorted by author, but by title. And now that the three variants are set up, I can go back to the canvas, preview my site, and play with a fully interactive sorting of CMS items. And this is a first step towards more sophisticated filtering, and we cannot wait to show you what we're working on next, so stay tuned and happy building.